How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can make a running animation in Roblox. So to do this on your own way, basically the first thing that you want to do is to just put any model or any avatar onto your map. And from here, let's click avatar. And then there's going to be something like the clip editor right here. Now it's a little bit tricky because if you actually go ahead and click on it, it will then prompt us with the animation editor, and in here you could select something like custom clips. In here, let's just go ahead and enable the run, or make sure to select run, and then simply right after that you could put your asset ID, or you could just navigate through the animation editor, and from here you could edit out the animation manually using the keyframe. So if you click on this character and let's say that it's about to run, so it will automatically add this keyframe right here. Let's go ahead and edit out the second arm, and same thing with the feet itself. So this is how you go ahead and create your animations manually. But of course, I have an easy way to do this, so it's going to look something like this. You could just go ahead and keep repeating this. So let me just go ahead and copy and paste this to make things a lot easier. Or if you want to go ahead and make things easy, you could navigate through the creator source, and in here we could install something like the shift to run, which is completely free. And if we actually click on OK, it will enable us to run freely on our game itself. So there's multiple ways to do this, and basically this is just the demo on how you could simply do so. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.